Yeah, you're on. Whoa, first drop. He's on. Haven't even got mine out yet.
Oh yeah.
Head shakes or not?
Yeah, there's head shakes.
There's head shakes there. I think this is a pinky. Dropped him right in the zone. Cannot even get mine out right now. But you might have a good 55, 60 here. First cast, mate. Can you believe it?
No shaking, no nothing now.
Still got the weight though, don't you, yet? Can you see anything yet? Nah. You getting close?
Should be.
Can't be that far away now. Windy as out here. 20 plus knot winds. Is that you right there? Yeah, it is. Oh, it's a snapper. Keep reeling, keep reeling. Yes! Yes!
Oh yeah. Second line out. Look at that already.
Wow. Hang on, hang on. End of tail right there. Oh, it's bigger than mine. That's a 68. It's almost too windy, eh? I'm coming.
You're on already, look at it.
Oh! You're on. Oh my God. Oh! No way.
Yes! You're on.
Are you serious? That's the first time I've crapped myself with that drone, mate. I reckon it's getting too windy. But we'll see how this one goes. Could we get our first ever double session?
Double, mate.
Oh, I'm getting head shakes.
Hey?
I'm getting head shakes.
Oh yeah. Oh, you can see it.
This one feels good. Good size.
I just went, I go looking at it, I said, I'll hold the rod there. I looked up and all you can see was this. I'm going, you're on?
Could we really have a second one here? In these conditions. It's getting real bad.
It's getting gusty now.
I just want to land this one, and we've had one of the best days we've ever had.
I don't think we need
In half an hour.
I don't need
Alright, I think I'm getting closer. Was not snaggy at all this time. Look at that waves as well. Oh, there's a head shake.
pretty close now, aren't you?
Yeah, must be getting there. A little bit smaller, I think. Just got to swing him in. deal, man. Another size. In 5 seconds. Unbelievable. Ah, oh, no way. Another beauty.
Double, mate. Double,
what a great morning.
Oh, we can pack up and go home now.
What do you reckon? Yeah, I'm happy to do that.
Or you want to do one more?
All right, let's get you one more out. Can't believe that just hit the water. I was trying to get the drone. The drone's just going blur in the sky. You're going, get here, get here. See how good it can be when it all goes smooth. Please don't lose the drone. It's our last cast. That is super epic. How windy it is, and it still kept going. Unbelievable. Thank you. Mate, did you see the drone just then when it was coming back in? It's going like this. Jesus, that was lucky, man.
You know what, already, I thought I had a nibble.
Wouldn't be surprised. It's now or never. Yeah, tighten your line. Yeah, no, I mean, just reel in a little bit. Get that dip in your line. Could be coming our way. Yeah, I think you're on.
Yeah, I'm on.
Yeah, see, it was coming our way, mate, that's why. Oh yeah, he's on again! This is unbelievable. This is just our third drop, and we're on to a third. Pinky, there's something big busting up out there.
I know, I saw that.
I hope you're not being sharked.
Please.
That was something massive busting up out there just then. You still on? This one's a bit bigger by the looks of it. Pete's doubling up on the big boys here. Geez, maybe these strong winds is what stirs them up a bit. Unbelievable stuff here. Well, mate, the drone was absolutely flying all over the place in this huge winds, and somehow we've still able to get 3 baits out with 3 hookups. What do you reckon, Pete? Is this one bigger than the 68?
I think so, because she's a lot heavier.
Could be seaway, you never know. But didn't get that huge zing though that you get with the bigger ones.
Yeah, it might have had the zing, but it was coming in.
Yeah, it was definitely coming in. Nearly got you by surprise then.
I know.
You've got it. That's why you got to keep your line tight, because you never know. The amount we've lost before because your line's not tight. This Pen Prevail 2 is doing the job.
Oh yeah, he's just there.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a shark! This looks like a bronzy. Could be a gummy. What have we got there? Looks like a baby bronze. It's not a gummy, is it? No, it's not a gum. So there are bronzes out there still. That's a beauty.
Second cast. Not even 2 minutes in the water. Nice little gummy. Stay still.
Bronzy.
Little bronzy, look at that. How good is that? And I'll give back to the guys, he's going back in.
3 drops, 3 fish. In you go, buddy. Rolling in.
Come on, in you go. In you go.
Swim the right direction, that's it.
That's the way, sunshine. Away you go.
See you later. That's how it's done.
Yeah, what a morning. Yeah!
And that is what you call a classic morning.
2 pinkies. And that was a bronze.
Yeah, bronzy. 3 drops, 3 fish. And we paid our dues. Unbelievable, mate. Woo!